Good morning, student. Today we are going to study about producer equilibrium. In this topic, the firm is going to calculate profit. This chapter is very short, but it is very important because after study of cost, production, revenue, you have to able to know how to calculate profit. Okay. So there are two concepts. My dear student. The first concept is that TRTC approach that we have already studied in previous video. So I am going to teach a second method, that is MR and MC approach. My dear student, what is MR and MC approach? You have to see MR and MC, that is marginal revenue and marginal cost approach. We are going to find what is the profit of the firm. My dear student, you already know profit making is the basic or primary goal of the firm. Okay, so with the help of MR and MC approach, I am going to teach how we calculate MR and MC approach. My dear student, MR means we are going to calculate this marginal revenue on the basis of TR. Did you get idea? On the TR we have to calculate MR. MC is going to calculate on TC. Okay. So we have to total cost. With the help of the total cost we calculate marginal cost. With the help of the total revenue we calculate marginal revenue. My dear student, I take an example here. What you observe, this is the output. As we increase the output 1, 2, 3, the total revenue also increases. As we increase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the total revenue also increases 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So with the help of the total revenue, we calculate marginal revenue. So you have to observe that the marginal revenue at every level is 10 rupees. So you keep remember, there are two situations, my dear students. You all already know the perfect competition and imperfect competition. So in the imperfect competition, my dear student, today we are going to study perfect competition. Perfect competition. In this topic, you have already know the price is same. Okay, the price is same. That is why your marginal revenue is also 10 rupees at every level of the output. So every level of the output means whatever you are producing at 1 output, 2 output, 3 output, 4 output, 5 output, as the output increases, the price constant. The price is constant. Okay, first thing you have to already know this thing. Second, come to this point. In the perfect competition, price is equal to marginal revenue. You keep remember this thing, and average revenue. I think you have already studied in the previous video. In the perfect competition, price is constant. Price cannot be changed because it is decided by industry, not decided by the firm. So price is constant. Okay. So price is equal to MR and average revenue. So in this situation, what do you observe? Output, as output increases, total revenue also increases, but the marginal revenue remain constant. Okay. So my dear student, come to the marginal cost. Okay. What do you observe marginal cost? So marginal cost is going to be calculated on total cost. So what is the formula? Formula for calculation of marginal cost. If the marginal cost we are going to producing, first you observe if the total cost is 15. Okay, the marginal cost is also 15. You write down 15. Then you minus 27 minus 15, you 12. Okay. Then what you observe? 37 minus 27, 10. Okay. My dear student, again we have to calculate 45 minus 37, 12, 55 minus 45, 10, and 67 minus 55, that is 12. So it is the marginal cost. We have to calculate it with the help of the total cost. You observe, after I am going to explain what is the condition requirement for the equilibrium. Okay, so my dear student, today's topic is producer equilibrium. Producer equilibrium means producer is going to be satisfied. Okay, why is going to satisfied? Because he is getting a profit. What profit? Producer is going to be satisfied, or you can also say that producer is a equilibrium means stable position. He is stable position. My dear student, how it is a stable position? With the help of today, I am going to teach MR and MC approach. This approach, with the help of the producer, is going to be stable position or equilibrium position. So in this table, you observe what is the condition? What is the condition for the profit maximization? What is the condition of profit maximization with the MR and MC approach? The first condition is that the first condition is that MR is equal to MC. What is this meaning? It means marginal revenue is equal to the marginal cost. Marginal revenue means your profit, whatever your selling price revenue is equal to the marginal cost. Okay, you keep remember, marginal cost is also calculated on the total cost, and the total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. So whatever you are producing, the marginal revenue is equal to the total cost. Okay, so total cost is going to be calculated on marginal cost. Okay, this is the first condition where the producer should be equilibrium position as well as in getting a profit. Second condition is that MC curve means marginal cost curve must rising. This is the second condition. My dear student, there are two conditions for MRMC approach in which marginal revenue is equal to MC and MC curve must be rising. Let's see in the table. Where is the position where MR and MC approach, MR or MC is equal? Here in this situation you observe this is the situation. This situation is called, suppose I am taking R. Okay, in this situation when firm is producing 3 units, total revenue is 30, total cost is 37. It is the situation in which marginal revenue is equal to the marginal cost. So our first condition is fulfilled here. Again, producer is producing again next unit. He found that MR or MC is not equal to. So again, his producer is going to produce 5 units. Here MR or MC is also equal. So this situation I am going to take key. Okay, my dear student, what do you observe? Producer must be equal to the marginal revenue and marginal cost. Here is also marginal revenue is marginal cost. So which is the profit? Which place is maximum profit? Maximum profit is the place where total revenue is maximum. Okay, in this situation what do you observe? In this situation total revenue is 30, but here in this situation total revenue is 50 rupees. So it is the position where marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost, and here is also marginal revenue. What is the second condition? Marginal cost curve must be rising. So my dear student, I am going to draw here the graph. You have to able to understand. Here I am taking cost. Okay. Here I am taking output. Okay. There is a two criteria. So at 10 rupees, I am going to take whatever the producing. Okay. That is the marginal revenue is all. Here marginal revenue is 10 rupees. So I am going to 10 rupees a marginal revenue. Okay. Marginal revenue is 10 rupees. Okay. So 10 rupees the MR. In this curve, I am also showing that the marginal cost also. On y-axis, I am showing marginal revenue as well as marginal cost. My dear student, you observe that marginal cost was very high when output is 1. The marginal cost is very high. Where the profit is very less, you can also say that it is a condition of loss. So here it is the output 1 and the marginal cost is here 15 rupees. Okay. Here output is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Whatever the output is mentioned. So again what you observe? The marginal cost is going to be decrease at when the output is 2. What do you observe? When the marginal cost is 3 rupees. What do you observe? Here that is 10 rupees. At the 4 output, when the output is 4, the marginal cost is again 12 rupees. Okay, again 12 rupees. Let's see. At the 5, marginal cost is again 10 rupees. 6 at the 12, again it is a 12. It is a 12. Okay, my dear student, you observe that your graph is in this way. This is the curve. This is the curve in which you observe that marginal cost curve and marginal. Your second criteria is that marginal curve must be rising. So which position is must be rising here? From this position. From this position. Okay. This area where the marginal revenue is 10 rupees and marginal cost is also 10 rupees. Here it is the equilibrium position. Okay, where marginal cost is also 10 rupees and marginal revenue is also 10 rupees. So it is equilibrium position. Same situation is also, it is also equilibrium where marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue. My dear student, the first criteria is fulfilled. Second criteria is that marginal cost curve is rising. Here in this situation, marginal cost curve is going to be rising. It means that criteria is going to be fulfilled. Okay, so it is the position where the production is going to be output. So you have to make the follow this way. You observe that it is the situation where the marginal cost curve is going to be rise. So this situation follow when we are going to use the marginal revenue and marginal cost condition. There are two condition requirement. First is that marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost, and second is that marginal cost curve must be rising. So I hope you can also able to understand. It is the equilibrium position where the producer is equilibrium, means producer is stable position. You can also say that producer is earning profit. So it is the profit maximization situation. In other places there is no profit. In these places no profit. Okay, these places getting profit. Okay, maximum profit. So the producer update this situation. It is the equilibrium position. He is not going to decrease. If he is going to decrease the output, it means he is going to taking a loss. Okay, I hope you understand, my dear student. It is very important topic.